is, what is the right time of marriage? Now, this question arises for both men and women, girls and boys, or whatever. That there is no particular age. Its government has a rule that 18 and 21 for female and male respectively, but what I feel is the best age should be when they're matured enough. And scientifically also it is proved that if you're above the age of 28, whether you're a girl or a boy, or 28 to 27, and between 32, so 27 to 32 is an ideal age for marriage. So because you're matured enough, you have your career graph, you are settled, you know how your life is going to be. Because I'm telling, trust me, that people who say that money is not important, it's everything in love, and love doesn't see money and all that, it's a bullshit. I'm seriously telling you. You have to have money to survive. All this so-called this love is eternal, the love is doesn't see money, it's all ends up after after few days or even few months of marriages. So when you're at the age of 27, you're matured enough to understand the other person and not only see the physical appearance. Usually what happens is, when you're in love, first thing is that you see the physical appearance of the person, and then you see if they're settled or not, and some people see that. But when you're very young, say in 21 or around 18 years, 19 years, you're very immature, you don't know the other person properly, and you don't know what career they end up. So what happens is, you believe whatever you see, right? You don't know whether it is good for you, bad for you. And if somebody suggests you also, you'll feel what bullshit gyan they are giving. But that's true. But I'm not saying that every marriages at the very early ages are bad, because of course they are good in many cases. But mostly when you are at the age of 27 or 28, you know perfectly that this person is really really in love with you. And also you'll understand the financial status of both of you, whether it is a male or female, that you are settled, you are in a career, you know what it is, and to do a right path. And also you can convince your parents also, instead of eloping with somebody or all these things, instead of all this melodrama and everything. I may sound very blunt, I'm sorry to tell this, but I feel the best age to you can also do a research. It's proven that when you're about 27, you are matured enough to understand the other person, and also you're a little bit settled financially, so that you don't have to worry about how your life, career, or your monetary state is going to be. So that's very important. So I think you should concentrate on your age. Is a factor. Don't think that if you're very young, you understand, you can enjoy. That all ends up very fast. Just see, to tell you, first thing is that when you're in love with the first person's, there's nothing like first love at first sight. I'm absolutely sorry to tell this. That's nothing like something phrases used, love at first. It's very poetic. It's nothing like that. There's nothing called as love at first sight. You fall in love and the butterfly comes and the angels dance around. This is very filmy. It's nothing like that. All this is lust. The physical attraction towards a person, that hormones which plays on you. That's it. It's not something which they dramatized in shows or in daily soaps or the novels you read or films that you see. it's more of hormones which play on you than the actual love. So when you are loving that person, it is something which you don't expect anything out of that person. It's just love. So that comes when you are matured enough, you can understand that other person. Only if you're matured, if you're a little older in age of 27 to 28 years old, whether it is a male female, they can judge the person. They can understand that the other person is really in love with you, and it's not an attraction or a lust or something else. So I would suggest or recommend that they should get married a little late. So yes, the ideal age is between 27 to 32 for male and female, because they'll be matured enough to understand each other, and also the financial status will be fine. That's something which is very important.